What's up, everybody? So, check it out. I just picked up no, I didn't pick them up. I just got these socks. They're from Silver Sport, right? They're anti-microbial. Let me show you the box. Got a whole box of them, right? Bunch of different pair, bunch of different styles. The long ones. These are the women's ones. 6 pair for me, 6 pair for Nikki. This is the other pair. It's just different styles. So the thing with these things are, they say that. Hope my mic's not too loud. They say they challenge you to wear them for 5 days, 5 workouts without washing them, because they say that they won't smell. Now, I'm very curious to see how this works. I don't wear my socks more than once without washing them. I never have problems with odor, whether it be my socks, my feet, my sneakers, because I keep everything clean and dry. So I'm a little anxious to see how these perform. So I'm not sure how I feel about wearing the socks for 5 consecutive workouts, but that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna see what it is. I got the first pair on, as you can see. They feel comfortable. They're pretty cool looking. They're a little snug, which I like. I don't like loose, baggy feeling socks, and they really shouldn't be. I don't know. They feel like regular socks so far, so I'm gonna get this workout in. And first day, we'll see how it goes. But shout out to Silver. These are Silverclean. The socks are called Silverclean. The company is Silver Sport. Excuse me if I'm out of breath. I'm talking fast. It's pre-workout's kicking in. I gotta go. It's about that time. You know how it goes. But yeah, I'm really anxious to see how these socks works. And Nikki just left for Florida for a few weeks, and she's going to be working out down there in the nice weather. But it's a shame she didn't get to bring these. Maybe I'll ship it to her so she can test them out down there. But first day, we're going to see what it is. Stay tuned. Alright, let me cut this TV because I'm watching the Yankees. Listen, these socks, right? Alright, so I wore these socks for 5 days. But why am I so hype? I don't know. I'm just feeling good today. Alright, so I wore these socks. 5 days, they say they're not supposed to smell. They want you to wear them for 5 consecutive workouts. Don't wash them, and they're not supposed to smell. So it's been 5 workouts. Hasn't been 5 consecutive days, but it's been 5 workouts. So these things still smell fresh. They don't smell at all. They don't smell sweaty. They certainly don't stink. I'm taking deep breaths. They don't smell at all. They actually smell fresh and clean and normal. So as far as their claim, I would have to say it's definitely true. So salute. My thing is, I got to keep it real, right? I got to keep it real. They're comfortable. They're regular socks, so just socks. You put them on, you don't notice them. No comfort issues, because some socks are not really that comfortable. Or they slip off your feet. Regular socks, as far as that. They're comfortable, they're good, and they don't smell, so their claim is definitely good. My thing is, I'm no disrespect to the company, but I'm a little concerned, because I'm saying to myself, why would I want to wear socks 5 consecutive times without washing them? I'm a little confused about that. And I'm somebody who I don't know if I have an issue, or that's not the word. Whatever the word is that I'm looking for. I typically, seriously, especially on gym days, I kind of change my socks 3 to 4 times a day throughout the day on a normal basis. So like I have this thing, like I definitely don't wear the same socks 2 days in a row, and I don't like my feet feeling sweaty. So as soon as you know, like I said, I'm not gonna break it down, but I change my socks numerous times throughout a normal day. Um, and I definitely, like I said, I don't wear them without washing them. So I don't understand why the market is there for socks that you can keep wearing without smelling. Now, if you're talking about workout gear, that would be cool because um, even though I hope most people wash their workout gear. um, you know, your workout gear, even when you're continuously washing it, it does get sweaty and it does attract odors and smells, and sometimes even just your deodorant smells. Um, so I would, if they would make some workout gear that did this, I think that would be great. But for the life of me, I really can't understand why there's a market for socks that don't. To me, that's just encouraging people to be dirty or to be nasty. So I don't know. That's just my personal feeling with that. It's a little weird to me, but they definitely work, and I definitely, you know, they work. Um, I'm not going to keep wearing them for 5 days, but they did give me other socks. I'm going to definitely continue to wear these. To me, they're just regular socks. They're just not going to smell. I will say, though, I guess for certain people, maybe it makes sense. Here's my thing, though. If you keep your socks clean, if you keep your feet clean, and you keep your shoes clean, and you don't walk around without socks in your shoes, your feet shouldn't smell. So for anybody who has feet smelling issues, unless you have some other issue that is just internally, and there's things you can probably do for that. If you keep proper hygiene and proper care of your gear, your feet should never smell ever. So if you have foot odor, it's honestly because you're not doing something as far as keeping something clean. You're wearing the same socks for 5 days. Um, Without washing them. You know, you're not letting your sneakers dry out and air out when they get wet or sweaty. You're not keeping your feet clean, and or you may be walking around with, you know, like I said, you're walking around in your sneakers with no socks. All those things will make your feet and your shoes smell. Don't do those things. Stay clean, stay dry. You won't have a feet issue. So I just had to throw that out there because I have a real pet peeve also. This is a terrible review, by the way. But I have a real pet peeve. Like, I go into the gym and smell body odor in the locker room. Like, that kills me. And, you know, I know, you know, sometimes somebody have a bad day or whatever. But my thing is, you know, once in a while you might forget your deodorant or your deodorant fails. That happens sometimes. But when your feet smells, I always feel like there's no reason for that at all, ever. So I'm just always highly offended when I'm in the locker room and I smell somebody's feet, and which actually isn't often. And it's funny I'm not gonna get into that, but yeah. So that's just it. But these things definitely do work. They do as they claim and advertise. So yeah, check them out. I'll leave a link if I can find a link in the description. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But everybody on a regular though, wash your feet, wash your shoes, wash your socks. That's just it. I'm out of here. I don't know what else to say. I gotta stop looking at the damn screen and look at the camera. But you know, it's an ongoing process. Salute, people.